It is almost certain now that Huawei will likely name the next P-series flagship as the P20 since the name has been trademarked. The tech giant will commence its 2018 product cycle, and as usual, the P-series is usually the flagship series to get things rolling. The Huawei P20's supposed schematics had earlier appeared online, and what stood out most was the triple rear cameras which the device features. The P-series is the next flagship series after the Mate-series, and Huawei usually ensures that it adds some innovation to new models. One feature which helped the P8 and P9 stand out was the dual rear cameras co-engineered with Leica. Thus, it shouldn't be much of a surprise if the innovative Chinese firm chooses to redefine mobile photography with the inclusion of not 2, but 3 cameras at the back of the P20. The cameras are aligned horizontally and tilted to the top left corner of the back panel, and the design is said to be called ProTriple-lens design. The 3 cameras are tipped to have a total output of 40 MP and also support 5x hybrid zoom, as well as feature a new AI photo assistant. The earlier leaked schematics suggested the presence of a P20 Plus and P20 Pro variants with the same number of sensors but different camera positioning. We cannot miss the full screen design as captured on the front view of the P20's renders. The renders show Huawei may bring a display with much reduced bezels than what we saw on the Mate 10 series. The bezels on the shins are very narrow and the screen to body ratio is very high. The P20 front renders still pack a front home button which doubles as a fingerprint sensor and located just underneath the display. We have seen a similar setup to this one on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Talking of the specification, the P20 is expected to feature a Silicon Kirin 970 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM, while a 3600 mAh battery keeps the light on. The device is expected to retain the 3.5mm audio jack and should launch at MWC 2018 this February.